mukhang may good news pa rin. Because yung US and Iran agreed to have this 2-week ceasefire.
That's right.
What do you think po, paano ito makakatulong sa globally, sir, at sa atin?
Well, natural. If kasi kasama dun sa agreement na pinag-usapan, na dun sa ceasefire, na bubuksan ang Straits of Hormuz. Ibig sabihin, yung mga number one, yung ating mga seafarer, libo-libo na naiiwan dun sa seafarer na nakaparking lang dun, nag-aantay na makapasok o lumabas. So, magagawa na nila yung kanilang trabaho. Pangalawa, we will then hopefully be able, yung mga supply na nailakad natin habang nag-aantay tayo ng bukas, baka pwede na nang padaanin. At kasama na rin dyan yung naging arrangement natin sa Iran na pumayag naman sila na Philippine flag na vessel at pwede nilang padaanin. At yung mga supplies na papuntang Pilipinas, pwede nilang padaanin. And then, of course, to provide security and care of our seafarers. So we will take full advantage of the 2 weeks to increase our supply as much as possible and to continue to make whatever arrangements are possible. We are all hoping and praying that the 2-week ceasefire will extend further if the talks go well. I think that everybody around the table is willing and desirous, gusto nila na matapos na itong gulo na ito. So hopefully all the parties will come together. But we have the 2 weeks. We will take as much advantage of it as we possibly can by assuring the supply of petroleum products in the Philippines and hopefully being able to do something about the pricing kasi luluwag na ang market. So, it's a very simple demand and supply situation. So hopefully that will medyo bababa ang presyo ng langis. Pero titignan natin because it's so volatile. 2 weeks may not be enough time to bring the prices down. But maybe if it is extended further than that with the prospect of even better situation following, then prices will start to follow. We will, of course, immediately adjust.
We'll pray for that, sir.
Oo.
Thank you very much, Mr. President.
All right. Salamat.